In large industrial areas, water supply is managed through fully automated PLC-based pumping and distribution systems. These systems store water in massive tanks and distribute it through a controlled pipeline network. High-power industrial pumps are installed to push water with strong pressure across long distances inside factories and industrial zones. All pumping operations are fully automated and controlled through a centralized PLC system for accuracy, reliability, and efficiency. Water level sensors continuously monitor storage tanks in real time to ensure proper water availability and system balance. Pressure sensors are installed in pipelines to maintain stable flow and prevent any irregularity in water distribution. Operators supervise the entire water distribution system from a central control room using advanced PLC monitoring screens. Automatic industrial valves control the direction, timing, and flow of water according to system demand and requirements. Water is transported through a complex underground pipeline network that connects different industrial units efficiently. Electric motors provide continuous power to industrial pumps, ensuring uninterrupted and stable water flow throughout the system. The PLC executes programmed logic instructions that control the start, stop, and operation of the entire pumping system automatically. Trained technicians regularly inspect the pump station, ensuring all mechanical and electrical components are working properly and safely. This system efficiently distributes water across multiple industrial units, ensuring equal and reliable supply for all operational needs. All system parameters like pressure, tank levels, and pump status are continuously monitored through real-time digital dashboards. The entire water distribution system operates 24 hours a day, ensuring continuous and uninterrupted industrial water supply at all times. The PLC control panel acts as the central brain of the system, managing and coordinating every operation with precision. Inside the pipelines, water flow is carefully regulated to maintain consistent pressure and ensure maximum system efficiency. Emergency shutdown systems are installed to instantly stop pumps and protect the entire system during any fault or failure. All components work in perfect synchronization, creating a fully integrated and intelligent industrial water management system. This is how PLC technology delivers a smart, reliable, and fully automated industrial water distribution system with complete control and efficiency.